Hello everyone, welcome back to TechChamps. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a microphone that is not working on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, check that your phone case or screen protector is not covering the microphone. Also, inspect the microphone openings on your phone and make sure there is no dust, dirt, or lint blocking them. If needed, carefully clean the microphone area. Next, restart your phone. A simple restart can fix temporary software issue that may be causing the microphone to stop working. And another thing to check is Bluetooth. Open setting and go to Bluetooth. If your phone is connected to a Bluetooth headset or another device, disconnect it and test the microphone again. Sometimes your phone may be using the microphone from the connected device instead of the built-in microphone. If the issue continues, check the microphone permissions for the app you are using. Go to your setting, and after that go to apps and select the apps that's having microphone problems, and tap permissions and make sure microphone is set to allow while using the app. If microphone access is denied, the app won't be able to record audio. And you should repeat this step for any app that needs microphone access. Next, make sure your phone is running the latest software version. Go to Setting, Software Update, and install any available updates. And if the microphone only has a problem in a specific app, try clearing the app's cache. Go to Setting, Apps, and select the apps. Tap Storage, and then choose Clear Cache. After that, test the microphone again. Now test the microphone again. If it is still not working, try resetting app preferences by going to Setting and Apps. After that, tap the three-dot menu and select Reset App Preferences. This will not delete your personal data. If none of these steps work, your phone may have a hardware problem with the microphone and may need repair. And that's it. These are some easy ways to fix a microphone that is not working on your Android phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.